Yo, what's up? It's Power Plays Palace, man. We back again. Back again. It is a beautiful day, January 8th, So we back again for a beautiful day. Uh, so we gonna see what's going on in these charts, man, because yesterday was an interesting day. Very interesting day for the SPY because the SPY hit the all-time high areas, and we know what happened when it go up there. Most of the time when it reaches new all-time highs, it's some type of pullback. We talked about, as you can see yesterday, SPY came in, opened up around 691 area, ran up there to 693, pulled back into the 691 area right up here, 691. 67, 691, 11 area right here. Then it ran all the way up to 693, 96, almost 694. Tried to touch it again. Classic double top. In my opinion, based on what I'm looking at, it's a double top. If you zoom in a little closer, you see that it tapped out twice. And it pulled back. Now this is a 5-minute chart. The third candle, look at it, it took all that back. And then it started to retreat for the rest of the day. So then it pulled all the way back here to 689.35. So it was a pretty interesting day on the SPY. You got in early up until around 12:30. You know, calls. After that, we on the put side. So let's see what the chart say, man. Let's see what our chart said yesterday. So yesterday we looking for long highs above 691.85, in a 691.95, 692. We trying to get to 691, 692, up around 693, 694. We didn't hit 695, but we touched everything else. But here's the crazy part. Let's go on the put side. That's the first part of the day. On the put side, if you played on the put side, even if you waited till it got back in the 691.60, 691.85 area, you still had a lot of room to get down to 689.40 because the low of the day for yesterday, 689.32. So you had time to get there also. So, hey man, you could have hit on both sides yesterday. Nice move. So let's see what we got going on for today. Let's look at today's chart. What we got. Alright, for the day, if SPY breaks and hold above 689.35, we're going to be looking for the reclaim the loan between 689.45 and 689.75. Put my stop loss below 688.80. That means if the price fall back under that level, that's when they'll be reclaimed it. And then with my targets will be 690.60, 691.90, 693.90. And that'll be on the call side. But, this only kind of works if the buyer step in and push this thing back up. Once you get the all-time highs, you can get a lot of stuff going on. But if that happens, be mindful of that. The SPY pushes back into 689.10, 689.40 and stalls out, then you look for that rejection of short plays with the stock going above 689.90 with the downside target 688.40. 687.80 and 686.90, and this is if the field reclaims, to break through and head back towards that 693.96 up towards 694. And like I said, we got somebody in the group that predicting that SPY gonna reach 700 here soon, so we'll see. And it's working towards that way. I can honestly say that. So we'll see. Even these little pullbacks, they're not doing a whole bunch of damage unless you overly committed to one direction and buying a bunch of risk, doing a bunch of risky trading. So, But that's what we're gonna be doing, staying away from the risky trades and playing these levels. But gotta stay disciplined. So with me, I trade out the 5 minutes. I'm waiting on that candle to close above that 5 minute, 15 minute. I ain't looking for no FOMO. I'm not chasing nothing, and I want to make sure that I have my stop losses set. And looking at that 688.80 level, that 688.80 level is important because we want to see if they're gonna reclaim them highs and stay up there. And then you scale out on your way up. But that's the spot trade plan for the day. We're gonna stay bearish below 689.33, and we're gonna be bullish if we reclaim above the 689.35. We'll see the 688.80, but we want to see if we reclaim it. And everything in between those two areas is like we're looking for a little setup, but we'll see. If it's a chop area, things going sideways, get choppy. Just be careful trading. But that's our trade plan for the day on the spot. This Power Plays Palace, man. Hey, follow the trades that you think gonna work for you. Follow your trade plan. Stay disciplined. It's just my trade plan, my ideas based on what the chart been telling me. That don't mean you have to do that. So, as another day, y'all enjoy yourselves. And if you want to join our group, man, come on over to Power Plays. We're at Discord. We're at our Discord. Come on over and join us and trade with us. If anything in my video help you become a better trader, man, hey, like, share, and subscribe, man. No problem with that. I appreciate the love. But y'all keep getting this money on these trades. Do your thing and have fun. This is another Power Plays. We out.